everyone, this is Amy. Welcome to my channel. I just got an order from Thrive Market today, and I honestly don't remember what I ordered, but we're gonna find out what's in here. And of course, because that happened, my cats are running around like lunatics. So if they disrupt the video, just excuse them. I don't know why it always happens that whenever I get a delivery, they go nuts. Future Amy here. A couple days after I got the first part of this Thrive Market order, I got a second box. This has the meat in it. It ships separately. And because of all the weather delays and problems with deliveries I've been having lately because of all this snow, I wasn't sure if it would arrive, and I didn't want to say anything in my original introduction. But it's here. So when we're done with the first part of this video, stay till the end, because I'm going to show you my unboxing of this box, which is some meat and seafood. And now back to the video. But before I get into it, if you're new here, hit that subscribe button and ring that bell right next to it so that you never miss a video. I post at least 3 videos a week. I say that, but it's usually more. And at least one of them, sometimes more, is an unboxing, so you don't want to miss a video. Okay, let's get this box open and see what's inside. Oh, it's what's on the inside that counts. That's really cute, Thrive. And this was packed by Pablo. Thank you, Pablo. Okay. What have we got? I don't remember. Smart Sweets. I always throw these in. If you've watched any of my other Thrive unboxings, you've probably seen these before. These are not the best ingredients, but they're definitely not the worst. They're far better than gummy bears. Every once in a while, I like to have something that I probably shouldn't have, and when I do, I like to make sure it's as good as it can be. These are gluten-free, they're non-GMO, and they don't have any sugar alcohols. So if you have trouble digesting sugar alcohols, if you get bloated or get some digestive distress by having some of those sugar alcohols, this might actually work for you. Again, they're not the greatest in the world. These are not ideal by any means. I cannot stamp them with my approval, but they are better than some of the alternatives, and it doesn't have sugar. So in moderation, this is okay. This is what I really wanted, and I think I actually have this coming from Misfits too, and Misfits should have come today, but they are running a day late because we've had 2 snowstorms in the past week. As a matter of fact, I've had 3 snow days in the past week. Not good for business, I tell you. I'm an ice skater. I'm not a skier. So my Misfits Market order is running about a day behind, so I should have that soon. Hopefully tomorrow. But I think I also got this from them too. And this is, all this is organic sprouted popcorn. Non-GMO, kosher. And I love popcorn, but corn is so often a GMO food that I want to make sure it's organic. So that's why I ordered this. And I also ordered a popcorn popper, which I think also came today. I'll check on that in a minute. Actually looked to see if Thrive had a popcorn popper, and they didn't. So I had to get that from Amazon. And you know what? If you're interested in ordering from Thrive, there's a link in the description down below where you can get, I think it's $25 off your first order. I'll have to double check that, and I'll put something on the screen. Use that link below. I got some large baking cups. These are compostable, certified, unbleached, totally chlorine free. So these look interesting because I like to make cupcakes from time to time. Like 4 times a year. But I like to have these in the cabinet so I can do them. And some pink salt. We just got these beautiful Peugeot salt grinder. Well, a salt grinder and a pepper grinder. So I'm going to use this to fill this. And I'll put a link to these. These are amazing, by the way, these grinders. I'm going to put a link to these in the description down below. They just happen to be on my counter. And I replaced these that we used to have. These are no brand, no name. I think I got them at Home Goods or one of those stores. I can't remember, but these were like the bane of my existence. Now I have somewhere good to put my pink Himalayan sea salt. Some fennel seeds, because these have been hard to find. Have they been hard to find around where you live? Let me know. Leave me a comment down below. Let me know if you've had trouble finding fennel seeds. I've been having trouble finding fennel seeds. So I got them from Thrive. And some mustard. 2 mustard. One is stone ground and one is spicy brown. And these are both organic Thrive brand mustard. I got some refried beans. These again are organic refried black beans. I got 2 of the black beans and I got 2 of the pinto beans. And the ingredients here are filtered water, organic pinto beans, organic sunflower oil. That's not great because it doesn't say expeller pressed, but at least it's organic. And sea salt. Now let's see, the ingredients on the black beans are filtered water, organic black beans, organic sunflower oil, and sea salt. I like that the sunflower oil is organic, so I know it's non-GMO, but I don't know how the oil was extracted from the sunflower, and it doesn't say it's expeller pressed. But sometimes we just gotta make do. What is this? What did I get here? Oh, bendable straws. Yay. These are plants over prep. Well, it doesn't look like there's 50 in there, but maybe there are. They're kind of open. Okay. These are bendy straws too. So what are they made out of? They're made from plants, but it doesn't say what kind of plant. They're from Austria. So I have no idea what they're made out of. That's odd. So they're bendy straws. I mean, that's cool and all, but what are they made out of? And why was this box open? I don't think there's 50 in here either. That doesn't look full. I'm going to have to write them a little note about that because look, that came out like that. And it wasn't full. So, interesting. Some organic Thrive Market shell pasta. This is gluten-free brown rice pasta. The ingredients are organic whole grain brown rice flour. That's it. That's good. Some mushroom broth, Pacific mushroom broth, because I love this stuff. And this is one of those things too that's been hard to find lately. Don't know why, but I guess a lot of people like mushroom broth. We got some of that. What else did I order? You know, honestly, I don't remember. Oh, this was why I placed the order. Now I remember. So BJ's and Costco used to have Sir Kensington's organic avocado oil mayonnaise, and it hasn't been there lately. So I got the Primal Kitchen avocado mayo. These are amazing. And for those of you who watch Bobby Parrish, I thought I got 2 of those. I'm gonna have to check my order because I thought I had ordered 2 of those. Anyway, for those of you who follow Bobby Parrish, Flave City, he talks about this quite a bit, and he likes this better than the Sir Kensington's. I've never tried the Primal Kitchen mayo because the Costco's near me and the BJ's near me had Sir Kensington's organic mayo. So that's the one that we were getting for a while until they stopped having it. And then I got some lemon juice, which looks like it's leaking. Yeah, it's leaking. Okay. So now I'm on to my second box, which came a few days after that first box. And this is, I hope, meat and some seafood that I ordered. It was on sale, so I took advantage of a sale and added this on to my order. It didn't come together because I guess this drop ships from the meat company, not from the same warehouse that Thrive Market usually ships from. So let's get this box open and see what's inside. The paper's cool. Okay, so we've got some pasture-raised boneless ribeye steaks. These are grass-fed, no antibiotics, humanely raised in Chile, pasture-raised and free-roaming, carbon offset, animal welfare certified. So these are ribeyes. That's the thickness of one. They are each, let's see, this is 1 pound. So each of these is 8 ounces. They arrive frozen and they look like they're pretty high quality. They're not the same as the steaks that I got last time, the Kobe, First Lake Kobe. This is different. This is the Thrive Market brand. So, but they are still grass-fed, although it doesn't say 100% grass-fed and finished. So maybe I should have read that a little closer, but we'll give it a try anyway. And I got 3 2-packs of these. They all look good. They're all about 1 pound, so each one is about 8 ounces. And the thickness is pretty good. And then I got some lobster tails. These are North Atlantic cold water lobster tails. There are 2 in each container. And I thought this would be nice for Valentine's Day, steak and lobster. So I got 3 of these. And I forget how much the total was, but I'll put the receipt up for this so that you can see. It was on sale. So 6 ribeyes and 6 lobster tails for that price. For that price, it's on the screen as I drop everything. Because a lot of their prices are cheaper than the same things at the grocery store. And they have their Thrive Market brand too, which is a really good value. And things like the Pacific mushroom stock and the Primal Kitchen mayo, you're not going to find those cheaper at Whole Foods. I mean, they're going to be more expensive at Whole Foods. And Thrive has an app that you can download to your phone so that when you're in a grocery store, you can scan something and see if Thrive has a better price on it or if they have an equivalent product to it. So something like their Thrive brand pasta or their Thrive brand popcorn, they would give you as an alternative to something if you were shopping at, say, Whole Foods or a grocery store like that. So I really do like Thrive. This is just a weird, Mercury is in retrograde. Do you guys relate to that? So anyway, remember to use that code in the description down below. Click through and place your order with Thrive to save. Oh, I almost forgot to show you the popcorn popper. And then this is, I hope, the popcorn popper that I got from Amazon. And I'll put a link to this in the description down below too. I'm really excited. I have not had a popcorn popper in a long time. Long time. I don't think I've had one since I was a kid because ever since microwave popcorn came out, we were all eating that and then we all stopped eating that. I'm gonna have to put this on the floor. Then we all stopped eating that kind of popcorn, and then I've just been buying popcorn that was already popped from Trader Joe's. But now I ordered my own popcorn popper. So this is the kind that you have to put the oil in because I don't like the kind that air pops. I like a little bit of oil, but I'll use avocado oil, which I have over there, the Chosen Foods organic avocado oil that you can get from Thrive Market. It's right up here. This is really good stuff. So you can get that from Thrive. And that's what I'll use to pop the popcorn with. But I'll put a link to this popcorn popper, which is not an air popper. You have to use oil. I'm going to put that in the description down below too. And now I can say thank you for watching. If you like this video, please give it a like. Remember to subscribe and ring that bell so you never miss a video. This is Amy. I will see you real soon. Thank you for watching. Bye.